To prepare an omelette, you will need eggs, salt, pepper, and a fat or oil for cooking. Here is a basic recipe. Crack the eggs into a bowl and beat them with a fork or whisk. Add a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and add a small amount of fat or oil, such as butter or vegetable oil. Once the pan is hot, pour the eggs into the pan and let them cook for about 30 seconds. Use a spatula to lift the edges of the omelette and let the uncooked eggs flow to the bottom of the pan. Once the top of the omelette is mostly set, you can add any desired fillings, such as cheese, vegetables, or meat, to one half of the omelette. Use the spatula to fold the other half of the omelette over the fillings, and continue cooking for an additional minute, or until the filling is heated through and the omelette is cooked to your liking. Serve immediately and enjoy.